Hello and welcome back. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I know it's been a little bit, but as you can maybe tell by my backdrop, it's a little smoky up here in Washington. So it's getting a little bit better, but there's still many fires going on, so the air quality is still kind of bad. But today I have a video. I want to give away, I'm doing a giveaway, and I got some friend mail. So I wanted to share. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed, why not? Just all you need to do is hit that subscribe button, tap that bell button, and you'll get notified of all my future videos, which I have tons of. And if you really like this video and its content, give me a thumbs up. And I'm trying not to show my thumbs because I haven't had my nails done. And if you're returning, thank you so much, and I appreciate your loyalty and your patience while I post all my videos. Some of these videos are going to be old, and I apologize. And the video that I'm going to post today, I actually won back in July, and our transition from Arizona to Washington, it just kind of got lost. So I'm going to apologize in advance to Random Reviews with Stephanie, because again, she mailed this out right away, but it got pushed in some packages, and I actually found it about a month ago, but between all the activities we do up here and this dreaded smoke, I'm just now getting into it. So Stephanie, please forgive me. Stephanie's channel, and I will leave a link below. You have to check her out. She is very down to earth. You go to her channel and she just kind of tells you like it is. She tells you about her life and her life stories. She's just a very honest person, and she does a lot of giveaways. I will probably never win another giveaway from her again, because I never even, I don't think, told her I got this box, because again, it just got shoved in with all of our packing. So I apologize. But again, I'm going to leave her link. Please go check out her channel if you're already not subscribed to her. Tell her I sent you, and again, you will so enjoy her just down-to-earth personality. And I do remember that, I haven't opened it, but it was like, I think she got it from Ulta, and it was a really nice beauty box kind of thing that she got, that she actually bought with her own money, but she took it out of that just for shipping purposes. And so she put it in this allure box, and let's get into it because it's been so long. So Stephanie, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. And she wrapped it very nice. And I do remember it had great products in there. So it's all packaged very nice, and it's a $5 off my next purchase. And at the bottom, as I'm dropping things, give me a second, there are a pair of earrings. They are silver, and I might be able to get away. Probably should take them out of the package. But they're just these cute little, and of course I can't take them out of the package, but I'll try to put them up there. I don't know if you'll see there. Cute little earrings. And then there's by Skin of Iceland Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gel. And I pretty much use an eye gel, the eye gels every night at my age. They can't hurt. And then make sure I get everything out, in here are all these cute, looks like skincare items We have a Dermatologist Sound Sleep Night Gel Cream. We have Kate Somerville, and I love Kate Somerville. No matter what size I get, I use it all up. Exfoliate Cleanser, and I'm gonna open this because I'm gonna use this tonight. It's got the little thing on it, but it smells awesome. And Tula, another great brand, Hydrating Day and Night Cream. Stephanie, I'm still apologizing. Confidence oil-free moisturizer, and it's by It Cosmetics, so great brands. Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. And if you do check Stephanie out, which I do, just apologize for me. Maybe if everybody apologizes for me, she'll forgive me. And oh, a Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. And an Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. These would all be products that I would buy if I could afford them. And then Mario Skincare Seaweed Night Cream. See if I can smell this. Oh my gosh. This smells amazing. And the last thing is Lash Food Conditioner Lash Primer. And what a great size to try it out. I still have some magnetic lashes that I want to try, and I've seen a lot of people try them and they've had success with them, so I'm going to try those. So this was my giveaway win that I won from Random Reviews with Stephanie. So thank you so much. And again, can't say it enough, her link will be below. Then I received some friend mail from Janie, and her channel is over 60 with Flair, and I will leave her link below. She does all sorts of unboxings. She does clothing, she does makeup, she does lifestyle, beauty. She does it all, and you have to check her out. She's so sweet, and I think she lives in Florida. So I'm not sure if she's affected by these storms, Sally, or not. I do have to check in with her. But she just emailed me out of the blue and asked for my address because she wanted to send me a gift. And I thought, how sweet is that? And I got this box from Etsy from Hootie Suds and Bubbles. And I'm thinking, when I got it, I did not order anything. And so I opened it up, and it says, "You are amazing." And I'm thinking, what could this possibly be? And inside was a card, and then I realized it was from Janie. And wait till you see what was in this box. And I left everything in there, and it smells amazing. But look, it is soap with cactus. And of course, those who know me know my symbol is a cactus. I collect cactus everything. And I so wish, oh my God, you can smell me. So, or smell me, sorry, smell these. I got 3 bars of cactus soap. So I called her up to thank her, and she said she was ordering something, and she kind of did the same thing. She got bars, and she said that I could use one and then save the others, but I can't do it. I cannot just go and use one of these great bars because I don't want to ruin it. But they smell amazing. So I am going to leave her link, and I'm also going to leave the link for the soap company, because I guess they make all sorts of different style soaps that you can get. So if you are a soap person, you can get it. And this is cactus and sea salt, and it says everything that's in here. And so yeah, you can use it, you know, for your hands or in the shower. So I thought that was so sweet of Janie. And I know a lot of my subscribers are subscribed to her as well. So how sweet. So the third thing is I'm going to do just a small giveaway. I opened a box, and I will leave below. Sorry, I'm getting attacked by flies. It was called Beat Face Box, and don't ask me where they got the name from, but it was just a beauty box that I found, and it had a really neat packaging to it. But it came in with a palette that I know I would never use. So I asked if you wanted me to do a giveaway, and a lot of you said yes. Now I got this eye palette, and then I got like a blush palette. Well, I kept the blush palette. I am wearing it. I don't know if you can tell that I'm wearing it, but I kind of liked it. It was a blush and highlighter, so I did keep that one. But I am going to do a giveaway, and this is by Amoris. This is the packaging, and all you need to do to enter, because I know this palette might not be for everybody, is just put the word palette, and I will do a random comment picker. I will do it probably October 1st, and we'll do this October 1st, a random comment picker using the word palette. And again, this is what it looks like. Now I know Rena, she loves bright colors, so she might want to enter this. But these are the colors for the palette. Not something that I would be drawn to, since I barely know how to use a lot of these colors. So again, if you want to enter, just put the word palette below, and again, I will leave the link for the actual video that this came in, so you can check it out. And I will do the random comment picker October 1st. Thank you so much for watching. Wow, I can't even talk. Thank you so much for watching. Stephanie, again, I can't apologize enough for me taking so long to post your video. I enjoyed everything that I got in my giveaway. Janie, thank you so much for the soaps. That was so sweet. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.